Hi, I'm Alex from the Lee Valley Vaughan store. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make chopsticks using the Bridge City Chopstick Master Kit. Everything you need to make chopsticks is included within this kit here. Items included within this kit include the blanks, ranging from padauk to cherry to maple. We have the locking wedges, we have the jig itself, and the plane. You'll take the jig and brace it up against your workbench, making sure that it is secure. Take your blank and number it 1 to 4. Each side you'll be shaping. You'll take the number 1 side facing upwards and place it into the jig, making sure that both number 1 is on the adjuster knobs. Take the locking wedges and place them on either end, making sure that they are both secure and in place. And run the plane over top of it, passing it until there is no friction. Having completed one side, you will now take the blank, pull out the locking wedges, and rotate to side 2. You'll be completing the same process. Adjuster knobs are locked into position 1. Take the plane and run it over it until there's no contact. So from time to time, the grain may change. You may need to take the plane and pull it towards yourself. Having completed 2 sides, you will now take out the blank and rotate the adjuster knobs to number 2. For sides 3 and 4, you'll be doing the same process. Side 3 is complete. Now on to side 4. With all 4 sides complete, you will keep the adjuster knobs at number 2. And in order to do the octagonal shape, you'll now take the blank and place it into the channel that runs down the center of the jig. You'll only plane about 1/3 of the actual blank at this point, making only a few passes and making sure to do all 4 sides. Having completed that, you've now completed the octagonal shape. Now that you've completed your first chopstick, you'll need a second one. Following the steps I've shown you, you'll be able to go back and completely make your second one quite easily. I, in fact, have made my second one. I'll be sanding it down and applying a beeswax salable finish to it. Pyrography tools or carving tools are a great way to personalize it, and they make a great gift and will impress your dinner guests.